Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have Avalanche AVAX daily update. We are going to see some important stuff right there and we are going to discuss the future of Avalanche. If you want to hit the like button and subscribe, it helps so much with the daily updates. Also, you can join our Telegram group chat. I have the link in the description down below. Thank you for the support. Thank you all for watching. Have a fantastic day wherever you are. Let's go right now to see AVAX. So you can see that yesterday we discussed about if we have a very fast spike, we will stop at the 51 Tether USD, and this will happen by yesterday around there, 2nd September late at night. But it didn't happen. It did happen on 3rd September. Okay, so we were one day, a few hours actually off. You can see the gann fan meets the Fibonacci retracement here. And yeah, we stopped at the 1-1 gann fan. This is the most important line, guys, the 1-1 gann fan. And we are finding huge sell pressure. If we are about to go above the 1-1 gann fan, then we can go even higher, and it will be very significant to go and reapproach above the 1-1 gann fan. So in case you missed on how to draw the gann fan properly, not using the 45-degree tool, which is absolutely wrong, not locking your bar price to bar ratio, which is absolutely wrong, you can check out the Solana's video and the next one. I do not remember which coin it was, but you should check the two videos, because on Solana video I made a mistake and talked about subtracting while it was dividing. Okay, so you can see that now we are on the 1-1 gann fan line and we are finding some pressure. We need to go above. If we go above this 1-1, it will be the first bullish step. The next bullish step will be to go above the 54, but we will talk about it. Okay, we will be talking about it, do not worry for now. All right, so therefore we were close, pretty close on when we are going maybe to meet the 51 Tether USD. We had two orders right here. In case we surpass the 1-2, we would go and spike forward to the 51, but in case we didn't, we would wait and see maybe on 11th September if we could go to 51, or maybe on 19th September. Okay, and the more slow we went up, the more difficult for us would be to go even higher. Okay, but right now it was a good spike for AVAX. Let's discuss everything in the price analysis now. Let's see the volume. Volume here is increasing again, and the MACD right there, you can see that we had a bullish cross and now we are going upwards. This is pretty cool, and we want to see even if we can actually have the blue line going above the red line right here, the previous high, as you can see. Okay, so right now let's go to Avalanche, guys, and on Avalanche you can see that the lower low lower high pattern on the RSI stopped, and now we had a spike towards the upwards. Okay, this was very cool for the RSI. Commodity channel index is in an extreme overbought situation, and that's why we might be correcting a little. Also, we found the 1-1 gann fan. Do not forget that. And of course the stochastic RSI. The stochastic RSI now is above the 80. Okay, so yeah, it matters, but what we must check out right now is the commodity channel index. Okay, the commodity channel index is what we check right now. Yes, we had a very significant spike right there. I liked that we went upwards so fast, and the reason is that we approach the 1-1 gann fan, and of course soon, because this means that the altcoin has the strength needed to move even higher. Let's go right now to the 20-day EMA. Actually, before I go to the daily frame, 20-day EMA crossed the 50-day EMA again, and we had a bullish movement. Okay, you can see that we had a bullish movement on the 20-day EMA. We have went a little bit down than the 50-day EMA, and now we climbed back up. Very nice. Let's go to the daily frame. On the daily, we have actually a buying opportunity. According to the SSL HYBRID, we have a buying opportunity right now. You can see that, and we had from yesterday 2nd September. Okay, so we had a selling opportunity there back on 25 August after a strong buying opportunity on 6 August, and now you can see that we have again a buying opportunity, right? Very, very cool for Avalanche. And let's see how this will play out. The volume is decreasing, although the moving average, you will see it is increasing. We explained yesterday why, but the volume on the daily frame now is decreasing a little bit. I think maybe on 3rd September we will close with a higher volume than the 1st September. Okay, so yeah, it might be increasing on the daily frame as well, right? Because we are already almost to touch the 2nd September. We might be getting almost all the way upwards here and see a nice green bar right there. So let's see a little bit the stochastic RSI oversold situation. As I told you before, this is something bullish, and we still have on the daily frame the stochastic RSI in an oversold situation. You can see the yellow line, you can see the commodity channel index as well on the daily frame. We are keeping this pattern that we like, and we want to go all the way upwards for now. Okay, so anyway, it looks pretty good, and we might be having a bullish recross on the MACD. We hope that we get that. Let's go to Avalanche Bitcoin chart. You can see that on Avalanche Bitcoin we have almost the same as the USDT chart. Okay, we had some lower highs, now we stopped, and we are having some higher lows. Okay, we stopped from the lower highs we had pattern and the higher and the lower highs and lower lows, of course, and now we're having higher lows. You can see that, and of course the commodity channel next to stochastic RSI is in an overbought, but that doesn't mean we are going down all the way. Okay, it means that we might be correcting just for a little bit, but I trust more the RSI for now. So for the RSI we have room to grow, and therefore I do believe that maybe we can go even higher. Let's go to the daily frame, and I will go quickly right now onto the daily. You can see that we went a little bit beyond the 0.3087. We didn't touch the 0.3076. This was a midterm, guys, Fibonacci retracement, and you can see that now we are ready to go maybe above the 0.201. Okay, so we will be seeing about that. On the daily frame, stochastic RSI is in an oversold, and now the cat is smiling. You can see that the cat is smiling with this pattern right here going on for AVAX. Let's go to the price analysis, and you can see that we have the Kanban tool. We have the 1-1 line that we found resistance now. You can see that upon the 1-1 line, let me color it with a yellow one so you can have it and you can see it. Okay, so the 1-1 line is this. We will color it with a yellow one. Here we go. So we found resistance in this yellow line. Okay, we found resistance in this yellow line, and I told you that yesterday, if we have a very nice spike, then we can go on the 2nd September on the 51 Tether USD. But okay, we didn't go on the 2nd, we went a few hours later, which is also accurate, and we went to the 51. We couldn't close above, of course. We found resistance on the 1-1 gann fan, that's why we stopped there. And you can see that now our goal is to surpass and go above the gann fan to get to the next price target, which is the 54.58. Okay, so yeah, eventually we can go there. So I had the 3rd September as a target right there in case we go above the 1-1. I have today the target on the 54 in case we cannot close above the 1-1 for now. I have one more date, the 8th September. Okay, so it might happen around today and tomorrow, or in the next 5 days. Okay, so therefore I have two targets, the price and the date, and the 54 is very important because the 54.55 will get us a minimized risk if we close above to get to the next price targets, and especially if we go above the 8.1, then this means that we are going to the next price targets, the 64 around there, the 66, 67, and the 69 to 70. So yes, I do believe that we can get there. I do believe that it is possible to get there once we go above the 54.55 and close above even at the 8.181 actually gann fan 2. Right? So therefore, that's why we are finding some huge sell pressure and we can't seem to go above the 1-1. Okay, even sometimes the 1-1 line is a very strong resistance and we might be going a little bit up then down. Okay, it happens. It can happen, guys. We cannot always be exact on our position, okay? And sometimes the price might go a little bit higher and then we fall down. We need, in order to say that we made the 1-1 and surpassed, we need to go a little bit higher, around there, okay? Then yes, we have surpassed the 1-1 line, and then we went and then we can say that we can go to the 2-1, okay? The next one is the 2-1. Right, so yes, we can say that we can go there, 2 units of price per 1 unit of time. That's what this means, and you can see that it gets more to the prices and the other lines are getting more to the date. Okay, you can see that they are getting, the angles are leaning towards the date and the angles of these are leaning towards the price. Okay, so for now, you can see that 48.77, a strong support level that we found, huge buying pressure right here. But the main goal right now is to go and close above the 54.58, which I will tell it might happen today or tomorrow, or then 8th September, or we have one more at 12th September. If we manage to make it so long to go to the 2nd October, I believe this will be the end of the AVAX as well. But anyway, I do not believe that we won't be going to the 54. So a strong Bitcoin right now will help us to go even higher. This could be a very nice bullish hammer candle on the 4-hour frame. However, the upper shadow is a little bit up above the body. I do not know if we can call it a hammer candle, a bullish hammer candle right here. I do not think that, but anyway, it has a very strong position right there, and we had some huge buying pressure from the 48,300. Ethereum against Bitcoin was correcting a little bit now. I do not know if it has the strength to go even higher for now, for the time being. We might be correcting a little bit, we will see about that. Anyway, for AVAX, this is the reason we are careful right now, because we found huge pressure on the 1-1, but we will be more bullish if we go above the 1-1 and especially above the 54.58. Thank you for watching, have a fantastic day wherever you are, see you soon with many more videos. Sorry for that, bye.